I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your account shows age 13 or older because that gate opens voice features. Once done, enable two-step verification and attach a verified email or phone to prove identity. Next, update the Roblox client or app. Outdated builds often block new features. While you update, prepare a government ID or parent permission if prompted. This speeds identity verification. Finally, sign into account settings and locate the privacy and voice chat sections to begin enabling options. Now you verify identity and flip the switch. Follow Roblox's identity verification prompts exactly. Upload a clear ID photo or accept parent consent when required, because the system needs proof to enable voice. Once verified, go to Settings, open Privacy, and toggle Voice Chat on. You'll see confirmation or a processing state. Make sure your operating system and browser or app have microphone permissions granted so audio can pass through. If a prompt appears to test your mic, allow it and speak to confirm input. Finish by testing voice in a compatible game that advertises voice support. Join a server and speak. This confirms end-to-end setup. If teammates don't hear you, check in-game audio settings and your mute or block lists, because user-level mutes override everything. Also verify network ports and NAT type if voice fails under strict routers. If problems persist, clear the client cache or reinstall the app, and then contact Roblox support with your verification receipt. One key troubleshooting tip: restart your device after permission changes to apply them fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.